Good morning, traders. This is the Stock Sumo with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today is Monday, July 11th. I wanted to talk about NEWC. That's New Columbia Resources, Inc. This chart has the perfect makings for a next wave higher, and that's why I wanted to highlight all these bullish characteristics. Starting at the top, and we'll work our way down, looking at the RSI. The RSI is showing some strength. Anything above the 50 line shows strength in the RSI. When we get pushing towards that 70 and 90 range, that tends to be a breakout because that's known as the power zone. Notice back here in April-May range when the stock moved from 0075 all the way up to 5 cents, the RSI pushed above the 50 line, it held above the 50 line, and then it pushed into the power zone, and that's when we had that nice breakout. After that breakout to 5 cents, it consolidated and it held support above the 200-day moving average on any pullbacks. And as of recently, we got back above that 50-day moving average, which is currently sitting at 0169, and the stock has held support above this previous resistance right here, which is right around that 50-day moving average. Key resistance points that we want to look out for is the top of this candle right here, which coincides with this resistance, and then right here, the tops of these candles, which is around 028. So currently 0235 and 028 are going to be our next key resistance points. If we can break above those ranges, you can see that the stock has moved to a nickel before, and it's quite possible that we could retrace and retest those previous swing highs. Let's take a look at the MACD. Notice that MACD gave us a nice bullish crossover. This is our buy signal, and these lines are showing some nice divergence after that bullish cross. So just a quick recap, we got support at the 50-day moving average, which was this previous resistance. We like to see previous resistance hold as future support. And the next key resistance is going to come at 0235 and 028. Potentially, we could retest that swing high of 5 cents. So even if we retrace to the 3 cent range, you could be looking at 50% gains from the current price of 2 cents. If we can make it all the way back to a nickel, we could be looking at a 150% move out of NEWC in the days and weeks ahead. We definitely like the makings of this chart for NEWC, and we want to keep this one on a long-term watch list. Be sure to stop by our website, BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and read our report on NEWC, and stay tuned for updates. As always, while you're visiting our site, click on our disclaimer for disclosure purposes. Thanks for tuning in, and make it a profitable week.